For many League City homeowners, rising utility bills are a constant frustration, especially during hot, humid summers and sudden cold fronts. One of the most effective ways to improve home comfort and reduce energy costs is replacing outdated, inefficient windows. While it may seem like a significant investment up front, energy-efficient window replacement can deliver long-term savings, better indoor comfort, and an increase in your home's overall value. Why older windows cost you more? If your home still has its original windows, especially single-pane or aluminum frame units, you're likely losing money every month on energy waste. Older windows allow heat to pass through easily, meaning your HVAC system must work harder to keep your home comfortable. In League City's climate, where temperatures often climb into the 90s and humidity remains high, this inefficiency becomes costly fast. Drafts, fogging between panes, and hot or cold spots near windows are common signs that your current windows are no longer performing well. If you feel the temperature rise when you walk near a window in summer, that's a clear indicator heat is entering your home through poor insulation. How new windows improve energy efficiency. Modern energy-efficient windows are engineered to block heat transfer, reduce UV exposure, and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Here are the features that make the biggest impact. Low E glass. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat away from your home during the summer and help retain warmth in the winter. This reduces reliance on your HVAC system and can noticeably lower energy bills. Double or triple panes. Instead of a single layer of glass, today's replacement windows use 2 or 3 panes with gas fills between them to improve insulation. Argon or krypton gas creates a buffer that significantly slows heat transfer. Insulated frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames offer much better insulation than old aluminum frames. These materials help eliminate drafts and boost overall performance. Improved weather stripping. Newer windows include durable, tight-seal weather stripping that blocks air leaks and reduces humidity infiltration, a major benefit in League City's coastal climate. Real energy savings for League City homes. By upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows, homeowners can expect a noticeable drop in heating and cooling costs. The average home can reduce energy expenses by 10–30% depending on the type and age of the existing windows. More importantly, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. This reduces wear and tear, extends equipment lifespan, and minimizes the need for repairs, another long-term financial benefit. Because League City sits in a warm climate zone, windows that focus on solar heat reduction and UV protection offer the greatest value. Choosing products certified by Energy Star for the southern region ensures you're selecting windows designed specifically for high heat, high sun environments. Comfort you can feel every day. Energy savings are only part of the advantage. New windows help regulate indoor temperatures, meaning no more hot rooms, cold corners, or uncomfortable drafts. They also improve noise insulation, a major perk for homes near busy streets, schools, or active neighborhoods. Low E coatings block up to 90% of harmful UV rays, protecting carpets, furniture, and artwork from fading over time. You get a quieter, more comfortable indoor space with added protection for your home's interior. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Window replacement is one of the most valuable home improvements you can make. Not only does it boost energy performance, but it also enhances your home's appearance inside and out. Homebuyers in League City increasingly look for energy-efficient upgrades, making new windows a powerful selling point. Choosing the right window installer. To get the most from your investment, partner with a trusted local window installation company experienced with League City's climate and building requirements. Proper installation ensures your new windows perform as intended and deliver maximum savings.